Hello, this is Kuldeep Patel, and today I'm solving LeetCode problem number 1678, which is the goal pressure interpretation. What about this problem? This problem is basically a LeetCode given a string like this. You can see here in the example, this is the string which is given by the LeetCode, and we can given an output like this. Here you can see. What about in this problem is you can see G. And directly, if we given a z as a string and in the character is z, then directly we return there z, and then you can see there is a parenthesis of open and close. This will treat as a o, and then we return here is the you can see here is this is the o, and you can see here is also a parenthesis, and also in the inner side of a parenthesis which is a l, then we return a l here, as you can see. Uh, in this problem, how can we see solve this problem? First of all, uh, as you can see, first of all, we iterate in the string like this. We iterate in the string, and what the problem in this string? We track the character. We iterate in the character, but we not track going on the character, because as you can see here, you can say parenthesis is the two character, and which is called a string. That's we can check if it matches with the two parentheses, then we return o. Let's now for this problem I am creating a checking variable, and I am creating a subcontent a variable which is string. I'm writing here a string. First of all, I'm going on the code, and I'm writing here is a string which is a name is a given a name is there check, and I'm writing a string here which is tracking a, and given name is the result, where we continue with the actual output. First of all, I'm creating a here for loop which is iterate in the all character. First of all, which is a character which is it, and which is travel in the command which is given by the code. First of command which is code, and iterate with this. And what's we are doing here? First of all, we will concatenate with this character in the string. Why we are doing this? Because as you can see here, G is the only one character. We can check is the first and the first concatenate, but here you can see this is the parenthesis which is open and close, and this is the two character, which means it's a string. If we checking this, and then we added with concatenate the actual answer which is o. That's why I am concatenate with this. Here you can see I am concatenate a check with it iteration, and I am writing here if condition. Here you can see if a check variable is match with this. After this, I am creating a if condition here, which check the our goal here. If I can say check is if a string is compared with the capital G, will then concatenate in the result. Like this, we concatenate with result. We actually concatenate this character G here. You can see we concatenate with this, and we also reinitialize the value of check, because we also reinitialize the value with the empty string of a check here. And I am writing here a else if condition also, which check compare with the value of a string which is as you can see, first of all G is our completed, then another one which is match you can see is the empty parenthesis. We writing compare with this empty parenthesis here. And what the goal of this? If the each matches check of a empty this string, then we concatenate. In the result will be uh, O, as you can see here O, and else if condition also I'm writing here for I'm writing for check of a string is compared with the parenthesis which is al. Then we concatenate in the result with al, which string. Here as you can see, I am not reinitialize the value of a check. So I am writing here the reinitialize the value of a check here, and again here. Again, I am writing initialize the value of check here. As you can see, this is the logic of my code. Let's return the value of the result here. Return the value of result here. Uh, First of all, we dry run this code, then check if this code working or not. Let's check an example which is given by C. This is our example you can see here, and the for loop iterate in this loop with a character first character is a z, then the value of a check with the concatenated with this, then after this, then the value of the check will be capital Z here. After you can see check values compared with the capital Z, and then you can see concatenate and the result value will be, you can see here, then the result value, I'm writing result value here because it's not changing again. Then you can see the concatenate real value will be as is here, you can see, and then check value will be also empty after this. You see here, this is the condition here, then value will be empty here, and then the next iteration will be this is a simple open parenthesis. This is the open parenthesis. As you can see, this is not match and concurrent with the check. This is not match with the another condition. Then another character with the close parenthesis. You can see this is match with this, and then concatenate on the result will be the value of the O, and then also empty with this check variable in this line. You can see here, and then another parenthesis will be the A. It is of open parenthesis. This is not match with this, and then another one VA, and then V, and this is the match with this, and then another concatenate this is the L, and then also we concatenate with this, and you can see our iteration completed here, and then result value here, and then we return this result value in this our last line of the 21 line. As you can see, our code is I've driven this code, and with an example, let's running this code and check our logic is working or not. Oh, something missing here. Yes, here is a semicolon missed by mistake. Let's again running this code. As you can see, our code logic is working, and here test case also passed here. You can see three cases passed. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.